Hi, I am Camila, and this is Literally TV, and you're gonna watch me play with old slime. So let's get started. Why does it look like it's leaking? It's water. Wait, I can't fix it. Crunchy slime? No. Smelly slime? No. Fluffy slime. So you need a bowl and old slime and a spatula and shaving cream and liquid starch. So first, gotta open your old slime. Then pour it in and look how watery it looks. Okay, let's get all those sparkles. Oh, of course we want sparkles. Make it shiny. Well, I actually think that's enough. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it that way. And then we add shaving cream. Only if I can try. Okay, let me get that. How to? Okay. It's gonna be super. That's enough. It's like a cake. It's like a cake. And now okay, I think this is just gonna be so fluffy. Okay, it still looks kind of wet. So now we gotta put in a liquid starch. Yes, a little. Okay, that's enough. It's too big. All we gotta do is mix it up. Looks pretty better than the purple slime now. Because we put a lot of liquid starch in there. A lot. Okay, now we can mix with our hands so we can put this down. Put it down. Now all we gotta do is grab it. Oh, this is fluffy. Actually kind of fluffy, but it is actually fluffy and sparkly. See glue in it. It's sticky. This is so awesome. This is so fluffy. This is so great. So sticky too. And if y'all wanna check out our videos, if y'all don't know how to make slime, just check out our old videos have to make slime, but if your slime is very old and you don't want to play with it, you can have an idea by making it fluffy. Or another creation with slimes. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!